Hey, did you ever find that working on a laptop is too small? Like, for example, if you're trying to build a website or maybe editing or doing anything digital. Well, and by the way, this video is not sponsored. I just want to share a product I really love. So in my case, if you're familiar with the channel, you remember my old setup, I had an ultra wide screen. Well, now I don't have that wide screen anymore because I've been traveling and I just don't want to buy additional screens. So what I found is this product. Actually, some of you mentioned it in the comments in a previous video about the Quest 3. Now in that video, I was exploring whether or not you can replace your physical screens with digital screens. Talked about the Quest 3, but this one, and by the way, this is the Xreal One. This is the Pro version, but you can get the Xreal One or the Xreal One Pro. Now, their names are confusing. They have like Xreal V1, Xreal Air 1. No, what you want is Xreal One, O-N-E. And depending on when you're watching this video, they might have newer models. But from the Xreal One onwards, it's really good. Why? Because once again, if you remember my previous setup, I had that ultra wide screen. And right now I have this ultra wide screen right in here. But the difference is that it fits in my pocket. Now I can either choose a big screen, a regular 16:9 screen ratio, or 16:10, don't quote me on that. But if I want, I can get the ultra wide screen. So I could be in Starbucks, or I can be in an airplane or a train or wherever, or even just at home or where I'm staying, Airbnb or whatever, and then work on that setup with an ultra wide screen, which is super convenient for someone like me building websites and making videos, because I can get this super long timeline in Final Cut Pro and it looks super crisp. Because yeah, these things rocks micro OLEDs. So that was just a short video. I know I haven't posted in a while, but I just wanted to share this with you. Not sponsored. I'm just sharing a product I love because I think some of you may need this. Once again, it's the Xreal One or Xreal One Pro. Now they got the Xreal One S, and by the time you watch this, they might have the Xreal 2 or whatever, but this is a solid brand. As for me, I'll see you in the next one.